In this tutorial, we are going to understand how to run the data analysis technique in SPSS. SPSS stands for Statistic Package for Social Science, but the power and capability go beyond social science students. This tutorial gives us a background understanding and deep knowledge of SPSS. SPSS develops as a programming language, and it is designed to provide statistical analysis. SPSS is a complex and powerful application which have a graphical and syntactical interface. It is used to provide dozens of functions for managing, analyzing, and presenting data. The statistical capability of SPSS contains a range from simple percentages to complex analyses of the linear models, variances, and multiple regressions. We can range our data from binary variables to logarithmic variables. It provides us an extensive data management functions. In this tutorial, we will learn how to write the SPSS program, enter data in SPSS, data transformation, descriptive statistics, independent sample t-test, creating tables and charts, and exploring several functions for managing our data. In this course, we will see everything we need to know about SPSS. The first step of this course actually shows us how to design a questionnaire that suits the SPSS program. After that, we will go a step further into coding our data into SPSS. The important part of SPSS is how to choose the right statistical technique in SPSS. We break down the process of choosing the right statistical technique in SPSS by creating a flowchart and a statistical decision tree. Based on the type of question we have, based on the type of variable, independent variable or dependent variable, and based on the measurement level, we will be able to choose the right test in SPSS. The treatment of data and the choice of the right statistical test depend upon the kind of measure we have taken for the variable. Thanks for watching. See you next time.